Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint-Maxime-du-Mont-Louis, Quebec, is a charming village located on the northern coast of the Gaspé Peninsula. This small community is packed with beauty and history, making it a wonderful spot to explore. Saint-Maxime-du-Mont-Louis is officially recognized as a village relay, meaning it provides excellent services for travelers. Here, you'll find cozy places to stay, delicious restaurants, a grocery store, a gas station, and even a health clinic. Whether you're just passing through or staying for a while, the town has everything you might need. This village has deep roots in the fishing industry, which dates back to the 18th century. Today, it's home to 2 fish processing plants, famous for its high-quality smoked seafood, which is enjoyed around the world. Fishing remains a vital part of life here, as it has for generations. For nature lovers, the surrounding area offers stunning views and outdoor adventures. Just nearby, there's a large wind farm in the mountains, one of the biggest in Canada, with 141 turbines producing clean energy. Along the coast, you might spot whales offshore, and in Gros Morne, a neighboring community, there's a thriving colony of black guillemots, a type of seabird. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty of Saint-Maxime-du-Mont-Louis.
Thanks for watching!